All right. So if someone wanted to launch this YouTube stuff, man, um, besides buying your course and getting the rundown that way, which is probably the smartest fucking way to do that, because there's going to be lots of gaps if you try it on yourself, you know? Um, but if they didn't want to do that or they couldn't afford your course, what kind of suggestions do you have for them?
Do learn like direct response marketing scripts. So you can do that for free through like YouTube, like videos and stuff. Um, Alex Becker has good like YouTube ad tutorials on YouTube, I'm pretty sure. Learn how to write a good script. Your script is like the main thing, right? Like the script is what sells. And with Facebook, it's like the pre-sale page sells a lot, but with YouTube, it's like all the script. Like the script basically pre-sells them. And then the landing page is very simple. So learn how to write like a good script.
Is there any people you'd recommend people watch to learn how to write good scripts?
I mean, I honestly didn't watch any when I was writing my scripts because I have all my copywriting skills from Facebook and like my own sort of stuff.
Gotcha.
Yeah. But from memory, I'm pretty sure like someone in the Power Cell shared like an Alex Becker video on how to write ads because Alex Becker was like the king of YouTube guru ads back in the day. Yeah. So he knows how to do that stuff. The first 15 seconds is the most important. So when you're split testing stuff, split test like completely different scripts, and then whatever works the best out of these two, take that one and then split test different hooks. So the first 15 seconds.
Interesting.
Makes sense.
Because if you just test this one with two different hooks, the whole script might be pretty shit and it might not perform. So if you test completely different things, this is like the concept of split testing. So test completely separate things on a wide spectrum and then take whatever side of that spectrum works the best and then refine it and do smaller split tests on it.
Smart. Do you have an ideal like time that these ads should be? Oh, I think they're limited, right?
They can, dude. I've seen people run like whole webinars on a YouTube ad.
Wow.
Damn.
Never mind.
And that converted?
Not our business model, but I've just seen it, right? Because
gotcha.
But ours are like a minute to like 3 minutes.
Nice.
Interesting.
Call to actions in the middle at the end. Call to actions are really important. And yeah, that's pretty much it. YouTube's cool because you can test heaps of stuff, right? Because you're not going to have the worries of Facebook stuff. So you can just go ham testing.
Man.
Dude, I love how simple it is. Like I know it's probably not that simple, but like it is in a sense.
I like to think of affiliate marketing, like you probably know this, like compared to every other business model out there, like we probably know entrepreneurs that you've probably had entrepreneurs come on here where they social media marketing agencies, they have like 50 employees, they have like 50 clients, they make like 20 grand a month or something. And there's so much hassle, right? Where affiliate marketing is like so simple, but the tiny things are a little bit complex, but overall it's like the simplest thing ever. But like the small little aspects of course are like pretty complex.
Yeah, no doubt.
Yeah. I think and maybe it's different for you, but I find everyone's looking for like a quick fix on Facebook or like a little like trick or something like that. There is no trick. The trick is just fucking test more.
Yeah, legit. Yeah. It's literally, so when I first started the first way I had my big breakthrough, which is what we call it now, like community, like people, when you have your breakthrough and you actually hit it and you realize like the power of making money online. I launched like 4 ads on Facebook. And then I went downstairs to play video games or whatever. And then I was thinking like, hey, if this method really works, all I need to do is just hit a winner. So I ran back upstairs and I launched 10 more ads. And one of those 10 that I launched like hit a winner. And then I started scaling it up. So if I didn't
test numbers game.
Exactly. If I think of it like you're drilling like for oil. You just keep drilling holes, you're going to hit oil. If you just drill 2 holes, it's only 2 chances of hitting a winner. If you drill 10 chances.
Yeah, dude, that's a good perspective to have on it.
That's a very good perspective.